Hello, everybody. My name is Tsholofelo Letsholo. I'm a 26-year-old woman. I'm currently based in a calm and collected, reserved town called Lobatse due to work. I graduated at the University of Botswana in 2007, having attained Bachelor of Business Administration. That's when I totally realized that I've got an extra talent of TV presenting, and that's why I'm totally here today. I have this burning passion that I'd want to explore. This is because I'm a very good communicator. I converse with people really well. I communicate with people really well. And I totally believe it's an area that I can make a difference to people out there being on TV. I totally also got a confirmation that I'm a good communicator when I had my previous TV appearances. In 2007, I have a BTV appearance whereby I was interviewed on my thoughts about me having graduated, and the feedback that I got was very positive, that convinced me that I can stand behind a camera, I can be in front of television and make a difference out there. I also got an opportunity to be on one popular Botswana morning Dumela program when I was interviewed concerning me being a part-time visual artist. Also, the feedback that I got from there actually convinced me that I can actually achieve what I want and realize my dreams in as far as TV presenting is concerned. Thank you. Hello everybody, my name is Tsholofelo Letsholo, the host of the first ever Botswana Gemstone season. We are looking for new talent in respect of the best dancers, the best singers, the best actors. We're actually going to be going across the country looking for such a talent. I can tell you it's going to be a very exciting opportunity to ever land in our country, Botswana. I can tell you right now, the cameras are rolling. The stage is set. The microphones and the lights are so on. And I can tell you, people at home, we are now starting with the auditions. Our judges are ready. We are actually going to be having the first ever Botswana wannabe superstar, but only after this commercial break. See you in a minute. Thank you.